Hello everyone and welcome back to a quick video. I'm working today with this plant, which is a Myrmecophila tibicinis, formerly known as Schomburgkia tibicinis. You can see it's growing off its mound. And as you can also see, it's kind of not super happy on its mound. I don't like mounting plants under my conditions. They just don't thrive as well as they could potted. But as you can also see, we have some new roots coming, so I think this is the perfect time to put this plant into a pot and just free it from this mound. I received this plant from, I don't know, like a friend of a friend of a friend. They gave up their collection, so yeah, I kind of inherited quite a few old plants that were not in the best condition. But I made a video about that and it's linked, I think it's up here, right? Yes. And yeah, I just want to quickly rip it off this mount because it's been on this for way too long and I'm not happy with it. Also, I don't think this plant has ever bloomed, so things need to change. I'm honestly a bit worried because you can see it's already a little wobbly here. And I kind of don't want to divide it necessarily. Just taking off this old pseudobulb here, this one. I'm thinking maybe I should get like a knife or something, because it's very well rooted on here. I don't know if these old roots do anything for the plant though. Okay, maybe I do need a little bit of help. I need a knife. Dang, my mystical powers are so strong. They've been moving this pot around as well. Who would have known? Okay, let's see. There are some strings here. We don't like if there are strings attached, so, you know, let's get rid of those. I feel like everyone told me to just keep this one mounted in real life. All of the more experienced orchid growers were like, Gorge, just keep it mounted. This plant will not do well potted. But I'm like, what do you know? You've only been growing orchids for 50 years. You literally know nothing. Okay, I'm wondering if I want to divide this plant actually. I don't know, I can't see any eyes on it. But then again, I also couldn't see the eye where this new growth is coming from. So I guess this plant is a little more stealthy than what I'm used to. But the idea is to just basically put the front part into this pot for now and then just hope for the best, you know. And I'm thinking to maybe also put like a little bit of you know, to kind of tie it into the pot so it doesn't wobble around so much. And I think we also might have to add a stone into the pot to make it not tip over. But yeah, the idea is, right, we have this kind of joint here almost to put like a wire zip, is that what they're called? Around that, kind of hold it in place in this pot and yeah, then have the new growths that are coming this way explore media. Because I think, you know, it's really important to teach your children media literacy and media competence, and this is what I want to do, right? It's not good for your children to always be mounted. They need to explore the media. So yeah, I guess I need to get a wire zip thingy then. I guess some of you might wonder why I didn't just summon a wire zip. But unfortunately I can only summon knives and scissors, so yeah, wire zips are really difficult to do. Let me know in the comments down below if you can summon those, because then you're really powerful. The idea is to just kind of, you know, come from the top here and then just thread it through here, come up again and place the plant here. Do you know what I mean? Place the plant here, then thread it through. Did I do it the wrong way around yet again? This is so stupid. Anyways. And then you can tie it and the plant doesn't wobble as much anymore. Lovely. But you can see it's a bit top heavy. Just a little. And then I'm just adding kind of this medium-sized spark. This is the Orchid Bark Plus that I got from when Aqua Genera Germany, I think, or Europe, I forget, was still called Rölke Orchideen, so I've had this for a while. And yeah, there you go, this is the plant now. I know it looks hideous, but I mean, very obviously I'm not going for beauty, so everyone, let's calm down. But yeah, the idea is I'm just gonna keep the roots hydrated so they grow into the media. There are quite a few, as you saw, and so this should be enough to make this plant survive and I don't know, mature a little more, to make this plant survive and kind of have it take over this pot with the roots, and then eventually I'll just pot it up into a larger one. I probably should have done this a little earlier, but I guess for Myrmecophila tibicinis, the way it grows is it produces the new growth first, and then as it matures the roots come, and I didn't want to pot this up before the roots come because, I don't know, that can be a little dangereux, which is French and means dangerous. Anyways. Oh. Using my Swiss knife. Anyways, right, you always need your name tag on the plant, which is Portuguese and means plants. And so yeah, there you go, this is the plant, love it. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And yeah, I don't know, let me know what else you'd like to see. I know there has been a comment concerning the Bella Vista import. I'm probably going to film an update on that. Not sure what I'm doing with the knife here. Dangerous, don't play with knives. And yeah, so I'm going to leave you with this German proverb. Schere, Messer, Gabel, Licht sind für kleine Kinder nicht. Oh, that was the pen that held my hair up. Never mind. Anyways, I'm just gonna, you know, thread this through here and then back up. Probably can't see a thing. This is difficult. So the idea is I'm just gonna thread it through here and then put the plant on top here. And then just zip it together. Oh, I did it the wrong way around.